Hey, how you doing? Justin here. I am picking 3 winners for my beginner song course feedback competition. Big thank you to everyone who sent in a video giving some feedback on the app. Really appreciate it. So I've entered all of the names of the people here in this random name picker, miniwebtool.com, little flog for the people who are doing that. And basically I just have to hit this green button. There are 3 winners. Each winner is going to win a Boss Katana 2, the 50 watt version, and a Yamaha Pacifica and a Diodario Care Pack, which is strings and string winder and tuner and that kind of thing. So let's hit that button first. The first winner is, here we go, my names are flapping around, Ted Kane. Well done, Ted Kane. You are the first winner there. I need to pick another 2 though, so let's go again. Who is it this time? Let's hope it's not the same person. You're not going to get 2. Mish Bayumi. Hopefully I've pronounced that correctly for you. And there's one more. Here we go. Who is it? And Craig Podmore. So congratulations, you 3. Thank you so much for the feedback. I really super appreciate it. I'll be in touch with all of the people whose videos we select to use in any of the ad stuff, because we'll also have a little private hangout chat thing together as well. Yeah, awesome to hear you guys are mostly loving the app, and we take on board all of the feedback that we get about it, trying to make it as good as it can possibly be. I'll see you for plenty more very soon. Y'all take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.